Okay, part 2. Here we go. We're going to finish How Far I'll Go. Here we go. And today's going to be pretty easy because most of it you already know, but there is a key change on page 6 that we're going to spend a little bit of time with. All right, so let's start actually at the bottom of page 3 with solo 3. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Then page 4, solo 4. Hey, you notice with solo 4 and solo 5 that the vocal line goes between part 1 and part 2, but I'm smushing those to just be one solo. So if you're doing like solo 4, go ahead and read the part 1 line and then read the part 2 line. So do all of that for solo 4. For solo 5, so solo 4 would be, I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine. Okay, you just put all of that in one vocal range right there. Solo 5, same thing. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong, I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? Okay, all of that is just in one vocal space. You don't have to go like high or low, even though it's part 1, part 2. Sing them all. And on the vocal tracks that are loaded up onto Music First actually right now, and they're available for you, it has it all being sung by the same singer. Okay. All right. So let's start with that solo 5 or small group, page 4. It's lunchtime. It's not in the morning this time because I want to get these videos taken and loaded up for y'all. Solo 5 or the small group. So this is what I'm looking for with this one. I'm looking for this moment. What is wrong with me? Okay. Because in the movie, oh my gosh, it's like this really big moment. Like, what is wrong with me? Here's the bad news. Okay, now if you're singing and it's just you and you're belting it out, you might be like, what is wrong with me? And you hold it out, right? Well, maybe it's just me because I'm like a drama nerd, okay? But if you notice that, what is wrong with me off? There's a chord arrest right there. So you don't have the freedom on this one to be as dramatic, but I still want you to sell that moment with your voice if you're looking at doing this. Now, why is it solo 5 or small group? Well, if I have one person that nails that moment, what is wrong with me, and nails it emotionally, then I might just go ahead and give that solo, the entire solo, to one person. But maybe there's like 4 or 5 people that nail that, what is wrong with me? Because that has to be this big emotional moment right there, right? So as you're practicing it, I would suggest you don't belt it. Okay, don't try and be a pop star right there. Keep it in that head voice, kind of that sing legato, that space of your voice. Keep it nice and high. I can always add some volume and some filters on your voice to bring out a little bit more pop tonality, but I need it on pitch, okay, and with good technique. So that what is wrong with me, let's do that real quick. 1, 2, 3. What is wrong with me? Do that again. Just getting the notes. 1, 2, 3. What is wrong with me? And the timing. 1, 2, 3. What is wrong with me? Good. Go back to solo 5, bottom of page 4. Now, just like on page 2, where we said, every turn I take, every trip I try, there were a lot of T's right there that we wanted to enunciate because the rhythm picks up, the beat picks up, the energy picks up right there. And one of the ways that we can pick up our energy is through our diction. So make sure you have good diction right here. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong, I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different. Woo! That went fast and I messed up. Do it again. I'm gonna slow it down just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong, I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? Okay, and if you want to do like a gradual crescendo up to that, what is wrong with me, that would be amazing. Try that one more time. 1, 2, ready? I can lead with pride, I can make us strong, I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? Off. Cool. All right, start. Measure 36. I remember that harmony? Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding, and no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know. Do just that much on page 5, because again, these harmonies are really rich when you pair them with part 1. I want to make sure that we nail these, okay? So just where it says all on measure 36, let's just do this 2 more times. 1, 2, ready? See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know. Do just that much 1 more time, and then this time we're going to keep going, so be prepared to turn the page to page 6, okay? See the light. 1, 2, ready? See the light as it shines on the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know. What's beyond that line? Will I cross that line? The light. Oh, we have that key change. So start with those 2 notes. This is where we're going to hang for just a minute to make sure we get this key change. This is important. So we're going to start with the 2 notes at the bottom of page 5. What's beyond that line? Will I cross that line? And then we're going to sing the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me. Okay, we're going to do that like 5 or 6 times to get that key change in there. This is important. Ready? Bottom of page 5. What's B? 1, 2, 3. What's beyond that line? Will I cross that line? The line with the da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, you notice I dropped the words, but I kept singing. Okay, you can do that too when you're practicing. Do it again. Okay, what's beyond that line? Here we go. 1, 2, ready? What's beyond that line? Will I cross that line? The line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me. Good, do it 1 more time. What's beyond that line? 1, 2, ready? What's beyond that line? Will I cross that line? The line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me. Keep going. And no one knows. Whoops, key change. And no one knows. Start with and no one knows, measure 46. 1, 2. And no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me. And then you rest. Let's do just the ending of yours. Bottom of page 6, measure 51. One day I'll know how far I'll go. Let's do that again, because this is completely just in the choir version, okay? 1, you come in on the end of 1, 3, 4. One day I'll know how far I'll go. And we hold that for a while. But right now, just the notes. One day I'll know how far I'll go. Ready? Here we go. 1 day, 3, 4. One day I'll know how far I'll go. Do that again. 1 day, 3, 4. One day I'll know how far I'll go. Do it again, and this time we're going to hold go for 7 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. One day I'll know how far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Off. Start bottom of page 5. Last time through. Ready? All the way to the end. What's beyond that line? Into the key change. 1, 2. Bottom of page 5. Ready? What's beyond that line? Will I cross that line? The line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me. And no one knows how far it goes. If the wind in my sail on the sea stays behind me. 3, 4. One day I'll know how far I'll go. Off. There we go. Okay. So the vocal track for you for this part is already loaded onto music first, so you can practice the solos, and then you can practice that ending to make sure you nail that ending. And then we're done with this song. Whoop, whoop. Can't wait to get my fingers on it, start recording, start mixing, all of that stuff. All right, here we go. Good job, y'all.